Hello, I've got these pair of sunglasses that I really like, and unfortunately it's got a broken arm there on one side. So yeah, it's broken there, the other side's fine. So today I'm going to show how I'm going to fix that or repair it using some shrink tube. So there's the piece of shrink tube that I'm going to use, and then I'll use my heat gun to shrink that tube onto the glasses arm. So what I do first, I'm going to cut a piece of that shrink tube to size, making sure it's going along a fair bit of the way along the arm of the glasses, so it gives it a good chance of holding it all together. And so there, just slide it over the glasses like so, and then switch on my Milwaukee Heat Precision Hot Tool, my heat gun. Switch that on. That plugs into the electricity. Switch it on and start shrinking the tube around that arm. Okay, that's taken about 30 seconds or so using the heat gun to shrink that tube around the arm. So I'll let that cool, and then I'll come back and have a look at it in 5 or 10 minutes. Okay, there we go. It's been 5 or 10 minutes now. That shrink tube is cooled, and it's giving that arm a fair bit of strength. So yeah, it's not too bad, that arm, but just to make sure it's nice and strong, I'm going to put a second piece of shrink tube over the arm that goes slightly over the existing one, and just to give it a bit of extra strength. Switch on my heat gun. Okay, another 30 seconds or so of heat gun, and that tube is now nicely shrunk onto the arm. Okay, I've let that cool now, and there we go. That's the arm there with two pieces of shrink tube over the broken piece, and it's nice and strong now. So yeah, I guess if I had a black piece, it probably would look better if I'd used a black piece. But there we go. You get the idea of how to fix a pair of sunglasses with a broken arm with some shrink tube, heating up some shrink tube. Okay, well, I hope you've enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and goodbye for now.